For this trip to Sturgis, I persuaded Big Dog to rent a drone. Unfortunately, we were so busy, we never got a chance to use it. After everyone left for home, I took the drone to Main Street, where I was promptly told if the drone left the ground, I would be arrested. So I picked up the GoPro and walked around Main Street instead. On the trip home, I stopped at a scenic overlook in Wyoming. When I arrived home to Summit County, Colorado, I ran into my friend Kai, who had just picked up this wild three-wheeled machine. He tossed me the keys and told me to take it for the day. Equipped with Big Dog's drone and living in one of the most beautiful places in America, I decided to cruise around the lake with the drone before I shipped it back.
If you're a creator or influencer, you understand how important it is to use the best quality soundtracks that are royalty-free. Well, I've got you covered. Click the link below this video for a 1-month free trial of Epidemic Sound, where this soundtrack came from, and many others you hear on my channel. After that first month, most creators fit into the $9 a month category, so it won't break the bank to have some of the best soundtracks possible.